proud to announce the grand opening of Blucid Floral Museum right here in the A in Atlanta, and it's happening on a powerful day, the anniversary of Hurricane Katrina. This museum isn't just about pretty flowers. Of course, I'll have a few. It's a tribute, a story, a heartbeat. You're gonna see real pieces used in the second line after Katrina for sure, the ones that carried our grief and our joy in the same step. As a culture bearer from New Orleans, I carry this tradition deep. I mean really, really deep. And I'm honored to share it, not just with my fellow New Orleanians who found a new home in ATL, but with anybody looking to get a real taste of our soul. This space is for the culture, for the healing, for the history. Come see how we bloom through the storm. Blucid Floral Museum opening August 29th. Come check us out.